Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am NK Joy Sweet. You are welcome to my humble and authentic kitchen. Thank you all for always tuning in. And thanks to all my subscribers and to all my return viewers. Thanks and God bless you all. Guys, today's recipe, cook with me, Nigerian delicious Achi Igbo soup. I love Igbo soup. I love to cook Igbo food. Though I am not an Igbo, I am from Delta, Agbo precisely. So I have beef, I have cow lumps, and I've previously washed them. They are washed thoroughly and nicely cleaned. So I'm going to transfer them into my cooking pot. I'll be using this my wok, and I'm going to add enough water to cover the beef, and I will season with seasoning cube, salt, and I will stir in my diced onion. And please, in case you are coming across this video for the first time, please don't just watch and screw with that dropping me your beautiful comment without liking, and please don't just watch without supporting. Just hit on the notification button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you will be notified. Stick around my community. Check out some of my videos. Any of my recipe that you love, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at NK Joy Sweet Kitchen. My TikTok account is at NK Joy Sweet Kitchen. You can as well follow my backup page on Facebook at NK Joy Sweet Kitchen. I mean Udu Odozi Nkem Joy. That's my Facebook backup page. And my other channel on YouTube is Mirabella the Super Cute Fashionista TV. And my Facebook page is my Super Cute Young Model. And I will be opening another Facebook page for my cooking at NK Joy Sweet Kitchen. I have another one, NK Joy Sweet Kitchen, but for some reason I'm not adding that one now. So let's check the meat if the beef is done. So now I will be stirring my dry pepper. That's grounded dry pepper, and I will add the shaki and bomo. Guys, this soup is super delicious. I've never seen a good achi like this, my achi soup. Now I'm going to add a little palm oil. So now I'm going to add the utazi leaf. Because it's dried utazi, so I'll be adding it first because it's very strong. So I don't want to be eating and be chewing strong utazi. So I will now stir in the achi. I will stir in the wet achi. I will stir in the spinach leaf. Now I'm going to add the ground crayfish. I just added the ground crayfish and seasoning powder. And the seasoning powder is homemade seasoning powder made by me. Taste to see if you will adjust the seasoning or you will add more. So right now I will allow to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Guys, check it out. The Achi soup is ready. Come on, let's eat. Guys, tell me if you like what you are seeing here. Please, if you love what you are seeing, if you love my recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Share me out with love. Don't just watch without commenting. Don't just watch without liking. Don't just watch without sharing. There is love in sharing. Bye.